Hello, everyone. Welcome to Casual Talk English. Here, you will learn real English through simple, everyday conversations. No grammar pressure, no textbooks, just natural English you can actually use. Let's talk and learn together.
Hey, Kylie. How's your morning going? Takes a sip of coffee.
Pretty good, actually. I woke up early today, which is rare for me. I was just thinking about buying groceries at a small shop today, funny enough.
Really? That's a very real-life thought. Mornings make us think about food, I guess.
Always. Oh, by the way, for everyone watching, I'm Kylie.
And I'm Jordan. We're friends from the U.S., and today we're just having a slow, natural English conversation.
Nothing fancy. Very simple English.
Like two friends talking in real life.
Exactly. So, yeah, groceries. Do you usually shop at big supermarkets or small shops?
I do both, but honestly, I really like small shops.
Same here. There's something nice about them.
Yeah, they feel friendly, less stressful.
Big supermarkets make me tired. So many people, so many lights.
And so many choices. Right. I go in for one thing, and I come out with 10. That happens to me every time. But small shops are different.
Yeah. They're quiet, simple.
And the shop owner usually talks to you.
Exactly, that's true. Sometimes they know you.
There's a small shop near my apartment.
Yeah? Oh, yeah?
I go there maybe 3 times a week.
Wow, that's a lot.
I know. I always forget something.
What kind of shop is it?
It's very small, just one room.
Like a neighborhood store?
Yes. They sell milk, eggs, bread, snacks, fruit.
That's perfect.
Yeah. And the owner is very nice.
That makes a big difference.
It really does. So let's imagine this. You walk into a small shop. What's the first thing you say?
I usually say hi.
Me too. Or hello.
Sometimes good morning if it's early.
Right. Very simple English.
And the shop owner usually says something like, "Hi, how can I help you?"
That sentence is very common.
Yes, how can I help you?
Or sometimes they say, what do you need?
That's true. So what do you say next?
It depends. If I know what I want, I say it.
Like,
Do you have milk?
very easy sentence.
Or, I'm looking for eggs.
That's a good one. I'm looking for.
Yeah, very useful.
Sometimes I don't know where things are.
Same.
So I ask, where is the bread?
Or, where can I find rice?
And usually they point.
Or they walk with you.
I love that. It feels kind.
One time, I went to a small shop and I felt embarrassed.
Oh no. What happened?
I wanted sugar, but I forgot the word sugar.
Wow.
I stood there like,
That happens to learners too.
I finally said, the white sweet thing.
Did they understand?
Yes, they laughed and said, oh, sugar.
That's great.
I felt a little silly, but it was okay.
That's an important lesson. You don't need perfect English.
Exactly. You can explain in simple words,
And people usually help you.
especially in small shops.
True. Small shops are good places to practice English.
Very good. The conversations are short
And slow.
and real.
Let's talk about prices. That's important.
Yes, sometimes there's no price tag.
Right. So you ask, "Excuse me, how much is this?"
Very polite. Excuse me first.
Or you can say, "How much does this cost?"
Both are good.
I usually point when I ask.
Me too. Pointing helps.
One time, I thought something was cheap, but it was expensive.
Oh no.
I was like, "Oh,"
Awkward moment.
very awkward, but I still bought it.
I've done that too.
Sometimes it's okay to say, "Oh, sorry, I don't need it."
Yes, that's a good sentence.
Or, "I'll think about it."
That's polite.
Let's talk about buying fruit and vegetables.
Okay.
Usually, you say numbers.
Like, can I have 2 apples?
Or, "I'd like 3 bananas, please."
I'd like sounds nice.
Yes, but "I want" is okay too.
Right. Both work.
I like saying please. It feels friendly.
Me too.
Do you ever talk to the shop owner while they get your things?
Sometimes, if it's not busy.
Like small talk.
Yeah. They might say, hot day today.
And you say, yes, very hot.
Easy conversation.
Or they ask, how are you?
And you say, I'm good, thanks.
These little talks are great for English learners.
They help you feel confident.
I agree. So after you get everything, what's next?
You go to the counter.
Right.
And you say, that's all.
Or, I'm ready to pay.
Then the shop owner says, cash or card?
Very common question.
How do you usually pay?
Card most of the time.
Same, but some small shops only take cash.
Yes, that can be a surprise.
One time, I only had a card.
Uh-oh.
And the shop owner said, cash only.
What did you do?
I said, oh, I'm sorry.
Good sentence.
And I put everything back.
That's not fun.
No, but the shop owner was kind.
That's good.
After you pay, they usually say something nice.
Like, have a nice day.
And you say, thank you, you too.
Simple, but important.
Very important.
I like when shop owners remember me.
Me too.
There's a small shop near my old house.
Yeah?
The owner always said my name.
That's special.
It made me feel welcome.
That's why small shops are great.
For daily life.
And for learning English.
So let's do a short example conversation.
Okay, let's do it.
Hello.
Hi, how can I help you?
Do you have eggs?
Yes, they're right here.
Thank you. How much is this bread?
It's $3.
Okay, I'll take it. That's all.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Perfect.
Very natural.
Very real life.
So, for everyone watching,
Buying groceries at a small shop is a great way to practice English.
you don't need long conversations.
Just simple sentences.
And a friendly smile.
Mistakes are okay.
Everyone makes them.
Even native speakers.
Especially before coffee.
That's true.
Smiles.
Take your time
Speak slowly.
and enjoy the moment.
Small shops are part of daily life.
And daily life is the best classroom.
That's a good way to say it.
Thanks, Jordan.
Thank you, Kylie. And thank you for watching.
We hope this conversation helps you.
See you next time.
Like
Share.
and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.